Hello, I am Steve Gonzalez, a product marketing manager here at Hewlett-Packard, and I'd like to introduce you to the 7th generation of HP's ProLiant DL360 server. When we talk to IT managers today, they tell us that there are 3 important things they need in their data centers: performance, efficiency, and space. With the DL360 G7, they get performance and efficiency in a small compute space. This allows them to do more with less. So what's new with the DL360 G7? The new Intel Xeon 5600 series processors. We've added 2 more NICs to give you a total of 4, and we retired the PS2 ports. So what's new in the Intel 5600 series processors? They now have up to 6 processor cores. That's 12 cores in a single DL360 G7. And they've come up with up to 12 megabytes of L3 cache. New efficiency features. The 5600 series processors automatically regulate power consumption and intelligently adjust server performance according to the application needs. And if you're looking to move to the next level of virtualization, Intel virtualization technology gives you the flexibility to virtualize different generations of Intel Xeon processor-based servers within the same virtualization pool, giving you the ability to migrate workloads to fewer servers at night and save energy. When you add it all up, the Intel Xeon Processor 5600 series delivers everything you need to reduce operating costs by up to 90% and realize a better return on your investment. In addition to the new processors, the ProLiant DL360 G7 gives you 18 DIMM sockets for DDR3, RDIMM, and or UDIMM memory, providing you up to 192 gigabytes of memory. HP continues to provide true hardware RAID integrated and standard with every DL360 G7. With the P410i Smart Array, the DL360 supports up to 8 small form factor SATA, SAS, or SSD drives. That's up to 4 terabytes max capacity for your server or pooled resources. For I/O, the ProLiant DL360 G7 continues to offer 2 available PCIe slots. You can have 1 full-length, full-height by 16 PCIe Generation 2 and 1 low-profile by 8 PCIe Generation 2 slot. Or you can opt for a true PCIX card-only slot and a low-profile by 8 PCIe Gen 2. I mentioned additional NIC ports. We've added 2 more NIC ports in place of the PS2 ports on the rear of the server to give you a total of 4 1 gigabit NICs now. We will continue to provide the front USB and video ports along with 2 USB, a video, a serial, and the 4 NIC ports on the rear of the DL360 G7. There is also a dedicated ILO NIC port with ProLiant Onboard Administrator for remote management with Systems Insight Manager or Insight Control Manager. The new ProLiant DL360 G7 continues to provide the best in intelligent built-in energy efficiency along with redundancy for high availability. HP's thermal logic technologies are built into every ProLiant. Technologies like our HP Unique Sea of Sensors, a system of sensors throughout the server that monitor and intelligently manage the power and cooling within the server, saving you dollars on power and cooling delivered throughout your data center. And HP's unique Dynamic Power Capping. Dynamic Power Capping provides you with the ability to set and lock power limits to individual servers, giving you the ability to predict and maintain strict power usage throughout the data center. And finally, HP's unique size power supplies with 92% efficiency. Pick the size you need. Don't waste power with oversized, inefficient power supplies. HP Common Slot Power Supplies meet Climate Savers, Energy Star, and 80+ Gold metrics for highly efficient power supplies. In summary, the ProLiant DL360 G7 gives you all you need to do more with less. Performance, efficiency, remote management in a one-use space. The HP ProLiant DL360 G7 is the world's best solution for space-constrained IT. future-proof your IT spending with the new ProLiant DL360 G7 server. You can get more information on the DL360 G7 on our website or by contacting HP. Thank you for your time today, and thank you for listening.